I want to show it to them so bad. Alright folks, welcome to another episode of Odyssey Life. I'm Bernie. This is an empty Odyssey Life garage, and I'm really excited that you stopped by today. I want to give you a big thanks for stopping by on the FL350 series finale day. As you can see, the garage is empty. The Odyssey's behind you on the trailer, all done up in her glory. It almost don't look like the same machine, guys. So if you're excited for trail testing, there's not going to be any tuning today because I already did it beforehand. We're just going to be riding today, guys. So if ripping Odysseys and hill climbs and going fast is what you like to see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment and a like, and let's get to the Odyssey Life never before mentioned test track, guys. It's amazing. See you there. Okay folks, thanks again for tuning in for the FL350 series finale. As you can see, she cleaned up beautiful. I'm so proud of this. This is 2 years in the making from beginning to end, and she looks all pretty and clean, but guess what? It's time to get her dirty, guys. We're gonna put the wrenches away, the screwdrivers and everything, and we're gonna go for a ride. I want to let you know I did a walk through the property. It's really muddy down towards the bottom. So we're gonna try not to get stuck. All right, let's get this baby dirty. Okay guys, look, I'm covered in mud. Like, I hope that was as amazing for you as it was for me. She is filthy from top to bottom. I had her doing fishtails. I can't wait till I get the drone so you guys can see the little jump over there. I'm all by myself, so it's kind of hard to run around and move the tripod, but we do have the GoPro footage, guys. It was so amazing. We dropped 2 jet sizes back at the garage before we left. No, actually we went 1. We went down to a 70 from a 75, and it worked flawlessly, guys. I was watching the exhaust gas temperature gauge. It was perfect. We didn't overheat. It hovered right around 1100 at full noise, like Bill K said. So yeah, this is the Fl350 Finale, guys. I'm gonna put a link to all the parts that I used for this machine in the description, as well as a link to last week's video. And stay tuned, guys. I got the most amazing news today about our next project. So on that note, don't forget about our sponsor, proud sponsor, Odd ATV, your premier place for 250 and 350 Honda Odyssey parts. Go ahead, check him out. Don't get left out. Go get yourself a part to keep your machine running. That's our goal, to keep these machines running one machine at a time, guys. Well, this was our 350 Finale, guys. There's gonna be so much more riding this, probably every other video after we start our new project. So guys, nothing but good stuff from here. So if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment, because next week's video, you're gonna be blown out of the water, guys. So see you next week. Alrighty. So amazing.